Guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you transfer Apple Cash to debit card. In order to transfer Apple Cash to debit card, you'll need to use the transfer to bank feature. So here it comes. What you need to do is, first thing first, ensure that you have a latest version of iOS or iPadOS on your device. Next, you want to go ahead and tap the Apple Cash card within the wallet section, or click on the three dot icon in the top of the page. After you've actually done it, so tap the three dot menu and locate it in the top right hand side corner. Next, you want to select the option to transfer your Apple Cash balance to your bank. As you've done it, so choose the instant transfer option. Then what you have to do is select your debit card and confirm the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. And while this method is for transferring to a debit card, you could also transfer Apple Cash to your bank account for free. This method takes 1 to 3 business days to proceed, and this is the simplest way you could transfer Apple Cash to debit card. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.